Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a game pass on Roblox. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. All you have to do is go into the Roblox website and here we are. Now, sign in your account if you haven't already. Now you want to go ahead and click on create at the top. It will then take you to this page right here. Now scroll down at the bottom until you see a manage my content button. If you can find it, you can just edit the URL at the top and just type in create.roblox.com and hit enter, like this. And then it will take you to this same page right here. Now in order to create a game pass, you need to choose a game that you want to go and create a game pass for. In this case, I want to create a game pass for this game here. So go ahead and click on it like so. And then what you need to do is go over to the left side and click associated items. And inside the associated items, go and click the passes tab. Then you can now create a pass like this, and that's it. All you need to do now is upload an image. But in my case, I already have a default image like this, and make sure your image format is one of these: JPEG, PNG, and BMP. Name it and add a little description. Tap on create pass. If you get an error, it's because of the image format, so either use a different image or convert your selected image in either of those three formats. And there you go, you've successfully created a game pass. Now, if you want to put it on sale, that's really easy as well. Like this one, it's currently off sale. Click on it, then go over to the left side and click sale. Turn on the toggle button and enter the price, then click save changes. Reload the page and it will now appear in the passes section here. So there you have it, you've successfully created a game pass for your Roblox. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.